Hey, this is Christy. Let me just show you a quick little tool that you can use in Riverside to cut the pauses and shorten the length of your episode with a single click. Let me show you how it works and how to bring them back. So if you have an edit that you have opened, you can go to the AI producer, which is a tool at the top here that does a lot of automated things. And if you open this, the first thing is remove pauses. And by the way, by default, it shows me that it can cut 1,000 in this episode, which is like 2 hours. Okay, it's a bit long, but it can cut 1,400 pauses. What does that mean? That's 13 minutes of pauses. Okay, so I can click apply to apply this in one go. It does it. It looks between words and cuts the pauses when we don't speak. That's going to make the edit quite fast. Now, if you don't want to cut so much, this usually calculates for the shortest pauses. So if you click on this, instead of clicking apply, you just click remove pauses here. It shows this little grade, this little step ladder, whatever you want to call it here. And if you put your mouse over these little dots, it shows you, okay, what pauses is it really going to remove? So if it says natural pace, if I click here, it removes only pauses that are 3 seconds or longer. So you notice it hasn't cut anything, which means we don't actually have any pauses that are 3 seconds. Let's move to the second one. It will look for 1.5 seconds or more. So if I click on this, you can see already it removed 30 pauses and shows me the savings here, 55 seconds in total for this 2-hour episode. If I go again higher, 1 second or longer, I'm already looking at 2 minutes 41, 120 pauses. And then finally, if you move all the way here, it will look for all of the pauses that are half a second long or longer. So that means it's super fast. The cut is going to be super tight. And this was the number that I saw at the beginning, 1,437 of these. Okay, so this might be a bit too much. And there's a situation where someone asked a question and said, hey, it seems like Riverside made some cuts by itself. Maybe it's because you applied these. And if you are not happy with those cuts, you can, of course, bring them back by just coming here to the AI producer and you can say revert to original, which is going to put all the silences, all the gaps back in. Look at this. And now I am back to no cuts at all. So there you go. This is how you remove pauses and restore them in your edit in Riverside. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. And hey, if you want to learn Riverside with me, I provide one-on-one coaching. Look in the description for a link to book a session with me, and I hope to see you soon.